Hi, my name is Kari and I'm the product architect here at FieldSync. In this video, I'd like to go over some of the changes that you can expect to see in our upcoming release of FieldSync 2.6.3. Now, in this release, we will be making only web changes, so there will be no additions to our mobile application. However, all of the enhancements that we're making within this release are a direct result of feedback that we've received from our customers. So let's go ahead and take a look at what some of these are. First of all, we've made significant enhancements to our status review report. Now, this is a report that is primarily used by our healthcare customers and allows them to track the progress of their patients or clients. The status review report provides a lot of value to our customers in that it does a lot of the automatic calculations for them already. However, in some of our feedback, we found that some of the usability of this feature was not ideal. So that's where the changes are being made. So I'm going to go ahead and select a group and filter down my participant list to those that fall within the developmental disabilities group, and I'll select Dolly Day. And then when I hit search, you'll see all of Dolly's tasks that are listed and the success percentages within the last 12 months for these tasks. Now, the data that is displayed in the grid matches up with the data that is displayed when you generate the actual report. In addition, you can also go through and add comments directly in the grid. So by expanding a task, you can see the comments for that task, and you can also add and edit comments right there within the same grid. This provides a lot of value because you can go in and add comments while referencing the data in these percentages that you need in order to make accurate comments. So as you can see here, I can say add comment. I can choose my date, add a label, put in my comment, and now that comment is listed here in chronological order based on the information that I'm seeing up above. Now when I choose all of these tasks and generate report, you'll see that comment that I just added within the report that matches up with the data that you saw in the grid. So this is a big change for our healthcare clients and one that we know they'll be excited about. In addition to the status review report, we also made a change to the messaging module. So when I go in to create a new message, I can either select the To button and choose my recipients from a list, or I can also place my cursor within the text box and start typing to display the names that meet the criteria. So as you can see, now I'm seeing all of the names that contain an S. So as I start to type more characters, that will filter the list down even more, and then I can choose the appropriate recipient. So now you have the ability to either select directly from a list or type in the names if you know already who you want to send the message to. Now this is really convenient for those of you who have a long list of users and don't want to have to sort through that list. In addition, we fixed an issue where recurring events were not being displayed properly within the dashboard. And within reports, we also added back the print button within the print preview. So for example, if I select a log, choose view, now you will see that the print button from the print preview is now available. But if you need to have better formatting, then you can export the file to PDF or Word and print from that document. In addition to the things that I've gone through, we've fixed some bugs and added some really minor enhancements, but I do want to let you know that we have a lot of exciting changes coming up very soon within our mobile application as well. If you have any questions about version 2.6.3 or any other features within FieldSync, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Thank you.